In this video, we will try to prove the sum and difference formula for tangent. We'll also add this in the formula sheet at the end. So let's get started. Now tan of a plus b can be written as sine of a plus b divided by cos of a plus b. Now let's apply the formula for sine of a plus b and cos of a plus b. So sine of a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now let us divide the numerator and denominator by cos a times cos b. So we are going to divide the numerator denominator now. So this will be sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b, and then cos a cos b minus sin a sin b divided by cos a cos b. So in the first term, the cos b value will get cancelled, and in the second part, cos a part will get cancelled. So we will have tan a by tan a plus tan b in the numerator. So this is tan a plus tan b, that is our numerator, divided by, in the denominator, the first part would get cancelled because cos a and cos b are common. So this will be 1 minus tan a times tan b. So this is how we can prove tan of a plus b. So please add this to your formula sheet. Now we'll continue with tan of a minus b. Tan of a minus b is sine of a minus b divided by cos of a minus b. Now let's apply the formula we learned earlier. So this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now again we are going to divide numerator and denominator by cos a cos b. So the numerator will be sin a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by cos a cos b. Then the other part of the equation is, in the denominator, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, and this divided by cos a cos b. So let's check the numerator now. So we can cancel out cos b in the first part, and in the second part here cos a can be cancelled out. So we would have tan a minus tan b, that is our numerator. Now the denominator, the first part would get completely cancelled out. So this is 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan of a minus b is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So this is how we can prove the sum and difference formula for tangent. So now we are going to update the formula sheet with the sum and difference of tangent. So this is tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. And the next one is the difference formula for tangent. Tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.